It is so blind bag time. Hello. Let's pick one. I love the Baby Party series. Last time we got Lulu, and that was the one I wanted, so I'm really just gonna be happy with anything I get. But I do think I want Jason or Alfie. As always, you look first, can you tell? You guys, what is my luck? Are you kidding me? I have insane luck with all these blind bags. He is just the sweetest thing. Wait, he has flowers, hold on. He is the sweetest thing ever. Today was a good day.